No, basically, I just want to add on to his answer. His brother is Chiranjeevi, and unfortunately, he's not with us now. But for Chiranjeevi, I trained him. I trained him in all to become an actor. I trained him so much, gymnastics, what all you need to be an actor. But for this fellow, I didn't do anything. He's like Ekalavya. He just learned himself. I didn't even launch him. He's the one who launched him. Because we had a production house, and I'm a director. My brother was a director. We wanted to launch. But remotely, he learned everything. One day I saw him like doing a wheelie on a bike, and he fell. He fell. And he is a very good boxer. Very good boxer, and I mean, I can define him, though he's a small boy for me. Even I learned something from him. No, see, basically the dedication, the hard work, and the consistency. People will work out or, keep doing things, but consistently doing that is very, very important. If you see his previous film, there's nothing graphically generated. In the first half, he'll be like a thin boy, school-going boy. He'll be, I think, some 50 kgs. And the second half, it was like, you should see his arms. It's like 22 inches of arms. He was this big. Nothing graphically generated. He just took 3 or 4 months gap. He worked out very hard. See, that's the kind of dedication he has. Just because he was saying that I'm his inspiration, basically things changes. So he has become our inspiration now.
ಜಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೇಬಲ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಲಭ್ಯ. ಸನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ 292, ಜಿಯೋ ಟಿವಿ 1334, ಯು ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ 162, ಸಿಟಿ ಕೇಬಲ್ 51, ಜಿಟಿಪಿಎಲ್ 17, ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್ ಕೇಬಲ್ಸ್ 821, ರಾಕ್ ಲೈನ್ ಟೆಲಿಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಶನ್ 51, ಶ್ರೀ ಬಸವೇಶ್ವರ ನಂಬರ್ 60, ವಿನಾಯಕ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 53, ಇನ್ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 896ರಲ್ಲಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮಿಷ್ಟದ ಜಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ನೋಡಿ ಆನಂದಿಸಿ.